Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about market nature. So we're basically going to talk about things that happens all the time in the market, right? Things that we tend to see every day in the market. Because I believe this is like the foundation, right, to technical analysis. You understanding what the market does on a daily basis and all that. So there are several things that the market do that you need to take note of. We have market tends to move in a trending direction, which means it tends to move whether in an uptrend or a downtrend. So I'll explain all this to you. Markets either consolidate or what's it called? We have reversals, we have impulse, right? We have what else do we have? Yeah, I think that's it mostly, and I think I'm going to show you guys some examples. But yeah, let's start with the trending market. So the trending market, right? The trending market is like a market that is moving either towards the upside or towards the downside, right? We have for the market trending towards the upside, it tends to like move in this kind of direction, making higher highs and higher lows, right? So what the market does in a bullish trend, that's like an ascending trend, right? Where markets tends to like trade upwards, create a high, then retrace back down to create a low, then it tends to like go back towards the upward direction, breaking the previous high created and creating a new high, and then coming retracing back down to create a new low, right? But then you will notice that this new low is created, it didn't create this low like below the previous low, it didn't break the previous low, instead it just like retraced, not even coming near the low, right? It didn't break the low, sorry, and then what continues towards the upside. So this like what an uptrend is, and in an uptrend you the highs, right, that's this place, and this high and this high right here, for example, they are called what? The high highs, right? I think you can see I've indicated it here. And on the lower ends on the lower side we have what? The higher lows, right? So in an uptrend we have higher highs and higher lows, and in a downtrend is like the inverse of an uptrend, right? Market trades below to create a low, right? Then it retraces to create a high, then comes down to create to break this previous low to what? Form a new low, retrace back to create another high, not breaking the previous high, and then what? Continue in that same direction. So in this case, for the lower aspect, this low and this low, we call them what? The lower lows. We call them the lower lows, and for the higher aspects, for this high and this high, we call them what? The lower highs. So in an uptrend, we call all these retracements or key reversal areas what? Higher highs, right? For the highs, and for the lows we call them higher lows, and for the downtrend we call the lows what? Lower lows, and for the uptrend we call them what? Higher lows, right? Let me see if I can get an example here. Gold, let me see. So I think we should have something here on gold, something interesting. Sorry. So sorry, I don't know what's wrong with the charts, maybe. Maybe I will just refresh it and see. Okay. So this is gold, right? And sorry, let me clear this cross right here. Okay, so you would notice in this market, in this uptrend, that what market forms what a higher high right here, right? And then what retraces back down to what from a higher low right here, right? And then trades back up towards break this higher high, right? Come to form a new high right here. Let me just highlight it for you guys. Form a new high right here, and now forming a low right here, breaking the previous high too. And then what it continues the same nature until what the previous low gets broken. When the previous low gets broken, that means the trend is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend. Like in this what should I call it, example, you would see that what we created this last high, right, low, and what happened, this high failed to break above the previous high and came down to break the low, and then now we are now creating lower lows and higher lows, lower low, higher low, right? So basically that's what like a trending market is. So sorry, okay, so let's go back to our examples, right? Let's go back to examples. So we have the trending market, and we have the consolidating market. So the consolidating market is basically the market that it doesn't really have a direction, right? It's just like ranging in a specific place, ranging in one place like this. You understand? So this is what like consolidation market. It's just a market that doesn't really have a direction, just ranging at the same place, and then eventually we'll get a breakout towards the upside or a downside, depending on the trend of the market and whether it is continuing or reversing. So I don't know, some people might call this a consolidation, right? This we could call this a consolidation. This right here is a little bit of a consolidation, right? The market wasn't really giving that much momentum right here, so this right here is our consolidation. And let me see if I can get another one. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think we can call this a consolidation. This could be a consolidation too, and market is just, it's just there, not moving up, not just ranging in a specific place. You understand? So this is what a consolidation is. And then we have what after the consolidations, we have what we call impulse and corrections. So impulsive markets are markets that move impulsively in a specific direction, like something like this. Markets will move impulsively like this, right? And then it will create this sort of consolidation right here. This consolidation is what we call a correction, right? And then another impulse will follow it again. You understand? So this is basically what an impulse and correction is. So let's write it down, right? Impulse, right? Impulse. So we have impulse right here. This is what an impulse is, right? Impulse, right? And then what right here we have our correction. we have our correction right here. So let's put it down to, we have what, correction, right? Hope I spelled it correct. So this is our correction. So impulse and corrections, you understand? So yeah, basically market, these are the things that, okay, let me just show you guys an example of impulse and correction. You see, this is like a clear example of impulse and correction. This right here, this trend, this entire trend right here, this entire bullish trend right here, I think it's a perfect example of impulse and correction, because you see market moves impulsively, correct, another impulse, then another correction, then another impulse, correction, impulse, correction. You see, very easy. When you guys can be able to like detect things like this, understand what the market is doing at a particular moment, because the market, I believe the market can be doing two things at a time, right? It moves, how do I put this, should I say one nature at a time, or how do I put it? I don't even know. But yeah, impulse and corrections, like you understand this market nature, and then technical analysis will be very easy for you. So we have impulse and corrections, right? And then we have what, we have reversals. We have reversals in the market, where, you know, maybe the market is in an uptrend, maybe creating these higher highs and higher lows, and then all of a sudden market breaks what, the higher low, and fails to break like this, what's it called, this previous high right here, right? And then change the momentum, and and start going towards the downside. So basically, sorry about that. Basically, that's like what a reversal is. It's self-explanatory, I believe. So yeah, basically, I think that should be that for this video. I think I showed you guys an example of what a reversal is, right? When this market is in a bullish trend, right? Higher highs, higher lows, created the last high right here, last high, and the higher low, but what, this high right here did not break the previous high, so we cannot call this a higher high. So I think this is the beginning of our higher low, right? And then a lower low, higher low, lower low, and all that, and so on and so forth. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys examples of continuation and reversal patterns that you can take and utilize in your trading, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.